This Zerillo Realty property video is presented by Giuseppe S. Zerillo. Spacious 1,728 square foot corner lot overlooking Ravine Park. Huge eat-in kitchen with tons of counter space. Newer stainless steel appliances. 2-car attached garage leading to your mudroom/laundry room area. 3 bathrooms including one on the main level. Updated flooring on the main level. Living room and separate dining room areas. Tons of closet space. Full master bathroom. Second floor features a loft area along with 3 nice-sized bedrooms. Enjoy your morning coffee on the wrap-around front porch. Assessments include exterior maintenance of the gutters, shutters, siding, and roof. Come see this one for yourself. You will not be disappointed. For more information,